Alright guys, as you can see, it is nighttime and I just finished up the taco pasta, but here it is, you guys. Taco pasta. Let's see how these joints taste, you guys. This is some special sauce that I made. I will have that in the description down below. But we're getting ready to see what these joints taste like. Taco pasta, you guys, vegan style. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see in the inside of that, but taco pasta, you guys.
You steady dressing that big bar, just live your life.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make taco pasta. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Alright guys, here's what you're going to be using to make your taco pasta. We're going to start off by browning our Impossible burger. Go ahead and break this up. While we're waiting on the Impossible to brown, we're going to go ahead and boil our water for our noodles. Alright, the water is boiling. Now it's time to add your noodles. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil in there. Some salt. And now we're going to add our noodles. And we're going to cook our pasta for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright guys, now that this has browned, we're going to go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add in some black beans, some corn, some green peppers, onion, some jalapenos. I'm going to put all of that in there. Add in your rotel. Add in some cream cheese. Actually, you can use all of it. Add in some Colby Jack cheese. You could use the cheese of your choice. A little cheese in there. Turn this down. Probably should have used a bigger pan. It's too late now because I'm not going to transfer it. We're going to make this work. We're going to add our taco seasoning. You can use any seasoning, taco seasoning you like. I use McCormick's. And it's a nice little stir. Get everything all mixed up in there. See, I'm gonna have to fold this in because I used a smaller pan, which I should have used a bigger pan. Everything looks like it's coming together right now. Cheese is melting. Now we're gonna just kick this up a little notch here. We're gonna add in some hot sauce. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. You don't have to cover it. It's your choice. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. And I'll see y'all in 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
Alright you guys, the sauce is ready. We're going to let this cool down before we stuff the pasta. Alright you guys, the noodles are done. We're going to go ahead and drain these and let these cool off. Alright you guys, now for the batter we're going to go ahead and add some ranch seasoning in there. And we're going to mix this up. Y'all, I don't have much counter space, so just bear with me. So I just put 1 packet. And this is about 2 cups of flour here. All right. Make sure that's all mixed good. So you're gonna see me shifting some things around. Just bear with me, please. Because I don't have that much counter space. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and stuff our shells. So I'm gonna move this out the way, even though I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need it, so. And my hands are clean, by the way. So here's our pasta, and we're just going to stuff it with the sauce. Move this over a little bit so you guys can see. All right, we're just going to stuff this with the sauce. Don't have to be nothing perfect. Just get it in there. Just get it in there, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm just going to use my hands. It's better to do that way. Just get it all stuffed in there. Yeah, I probably want to use gloves. I'm just using my hands because I'm going to be the only one eating this. But my hands are clean, so. If I was cooking for someone else, then of course I would be using gloves, because that's not how I do. All right, see, now you see that that's filled all the way through. All right, so now we're gonna take this and we're gonna get our Just Egg right here. I'm gonna dip it in here. We're gonna roll it in the flour. Just like that. Got it in the flour. We're gonna roll it back into the Just Egg or the egg wash, whichever one you wanna call it. And now we're gonna roll it into our tortilla shells. We're just gonna do it like this. And then we're just gonna place them in a pan and let these rest over here. That looks disgusting. So y'all, for me to speed this video up, I'm gonna go ahead and get all these filled for you guys, and I'm gonna show you in the end. All right, you guys, here's what they look like after I finish stuffing and battering them. So now we're gonna go ahead and refrigerate these for about an hour or two. And I will see y'all in an hour or two. All right, you guys, go ahead and preheat your deep fryer on 375. All right, you guys, I just took these out of the refrigerator. It's already been an hour, a little over an hour. So we're just waiting for the oil to heat up, and we're gonna drop these in the fryer for 3 to 4 minutes. All right, you guys, we're getting ready to drop the taco pasta inside the oil. Gonna put in, I think I can fit 3 of these in at a time. So let's see. Yeah, that works. See how golden and brown that is? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the rest of these, and I'm gonna see y'all in a few. Alright, you guys, these are done. There you have it, guys. Taco pasta.